In this lecture, we would like to discuss about commercialization of legal practice and legal profession and the very role played by Bar Council of India. So, in recent days, the BCI Bar Council of India condemns influencers, endorsement and digital promotion. So the Bar Council of India has explicitly warned against the increasing trend of advocates promoting their legal services through social media platforms, promotional videos and influencer endorsement. The council has strongly condemned the involvement of Bollywood actors, celebrities, and digital media influencers in legal advertisements, stating that such practices violate Rule 36, Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India rules. The Supreme Court of India has consistently upheld the principle that legal practice should not be commodified through commercial advertising or solicitation. The BCI reiterated that any promotional activities by advocates via online platforms severely compromise professional integrity and ethical standards. So stringent disciplinary actions would be taken against violators. So, by following a landmark ruling of the Madras High Court on 2024, the Bar Council of India has issued a directive to all state bar councils mandating disciplinary action against advocates engaging in unethical advertising. The Bar Council of India has specifically called for action against legal service promotions on platforms such as Quicker India Private Limited, Sulekha.com, New Media Private Limited, Just Dial Limited, and Grotel.com. The judgment also rejected safe harbor protections as provided under Section 79 of the Information Technology Act of 2000, stating that online platforms facilitating such violations are equally liable under the Advocates Act 1961. So all legal influencers are under scrutiny of the Bar Council of India. As Bar Council of India has raised concern over the rise of unregulated legal influencers who, without processing proper legal credential, spread misinformation on crucial legal matters, including matrimonial disputes, taxation, intellectual property rights, citizenship laws, privacy rights, and goods and service taxes compliance, misinterpretation of landmark judgments such as the Citizenship Amendment Act and the right to privacy ruling as it was held by the Supreme Court in the leading case Justice K.S. Puttaswamy versus Union of India have led to widespread public confusion and misguided legal decisions. And in regards to that, certain key mandates were issued by the Bar Council of India, and those addressed to ethical breaches the Bar Council of India had mandated on prohibition of advertisements violating Rule 36, ban on Bollywood actors, celebrities, and influencers promoting legal services, immediate removal of misleading banners, promotional materials, and digital advertisements related to legal practices. So also strict action against unauthorized legal service dissemination by non-enrolled individuals, absolute prohibition on social media or digital platform for soliciting legal work, so also implementation of stringent action and mechanisms on digital platforms to prevent misinformation. And this regards to recently the Bar Council of India sent a show cause notice to a law firm, DSK Legal, for professional misconduct for advertising itself by featuring Bollywood actor Rahul Bose in a promotional video advertisement. Rule 36 of the Bar Council of India rules prohibits advertisements by advocates for soliciting work. In the show cause notice issued to DSK Legal's managing partner, deputy managing partner. So in this context, we would like to discuss the judgment of one important leading case which was cited in the decision A.K. Balaji versus Union of India in 2018 by the Supreme Court. The Bar Council of India reiterated its jurisdiction over anyone practicing law regardless of their title. It also condemned advocates using religious or public events for self-promotion through banners and digital ads, deeming it a breach of professional integrity. And finally, the Bar Council of India issues those key mandatory orders which would like to discuss as those severe consequences for non-compliance of the order of the Bar Council of India and not following the rule 36 of Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India rules. So the Bar Council of India has warned of strict disciplinary actions such as suspension or cancellation of advocate enrollments for non-compliance of the orders or those key mandates of the Bar Council of India. So also referrals to the Supreme Court of India for contempt proceedings. So also formal complaints to digital platforms for the removal of unethical content published or carried out in any form in regards to any social media platforms or promotional videos and influencer endorsement. So, as according to the Bar Council of India, it violates Rule 36 of Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India rules. So, in this particular lecture, we have discussed how, in day by day, the legal profession becoming commercialized with the influencer, endorsements, and through social media platforms, and why involving Bollywood actors, celebrities, and digital media influencers in legal advertisements, as it all violates the professional integrity and it is considered as unethical and professional misconduct, and no one would take the plea of the provisions of Section 79 of the Information Technology Act of 2009 as a safe harbor regarding protection of any of the legal professionals. So, in this context, we have discussed the notice given to DSK Legal form and also the important leading case A.K. Balaji versus Union of India in 2018 decided by the Supreme Court and those key mandates issued by the Bar Council of India to be followed by the advocates and legal professionals, and in violation of those mandates, severe consequences would follow for non-compliance of those rules made by the Bar Council of India, in particularly Rule 36 of Chapter 2, Part 6 of the Bar Council of India rules and those others recently issued by the Bar Council of India in regards to any violation of professional ethics or the integrity and the dignity or nobility that involve the legal profession.